Hey, what's up guys? This is Ben Arkell with PassiveAutomation.com coming at you and wanted to explain what is the mystery challenge. You've probably heard about this, maybe you haven't yet, but I promise you will start hearing about this more and more. And how do I know that? Well, because the mystery challenge was created by Jordan Mederich, and he has a reputation for creating things that go viral, that everyone ends up hearing about. Some of you might recall the SAM funnel, which was an online sales funnel that was designed to help people get people introduced to ClickFunnels and starting their own business. Okay, and there were some issues with the SAM funnel. They had to actually shut that one down, but a lot of people were having a ton of success with it. And Jordan Mederich, he has a group, an inside group called the Core. It's a paid membership, and he said within there, he said, you know what? I will create a better funnel. I will continue to create awesome funnels. And so I want to take a few seconds real quickly right now and explain what the mystery challenge is. For those of you who are interested in trying to help people start an online business or become educated, the mystery challenge is really a way to get them into some awesome training that will help them do that. I want to basically take you inside. This is the back end. This mystery challenge funnel is available only to core members. Jordan Mederich, as part of the core, every month he releases a new sales funnel that is provided free. And this funnel in particular, if you look here, I wanted to just take you. It took him over 3 weeks to build and about $6,000 to do. But he's providing it available to people in the core for free. To join the core, it's $97 a month. But let's take you inside this funnel. So there's the opt-in page, which is this. There's basically a sales video that's shown, and it's talking about people who have had results with this mystery challenge and how it's impacted their business, impacted their mindset. I took the challenge as well, and it completely shifted my, well, I don't know if it shifted, it educated me on online marketing. It taught me about how to create hooks and tell stories and create offers, and use tools like ClickFunnels and autoresponders to sell, right? So there's this opt-in page right here. And again, you can get this funnel for yourself to use if you're interested in, if you're interested in helping people start their own online business and get them in to ClickFunnels and to learning more about online business, online marketing. This is a funnel that you can actually get by joining the core. I'll have a link in the description of my video. You can join through there. The second page right here, it's the sales page, okay? It's another video, and it basically, this first video talks about all the success that people have had from taking the mystery challenge and how it's shifted their mindset, changed their knowledge of online business, brought them profits from the knowledge they've gained. And then you put your name and email in, you get access to this, the challenge, right? So the awesome thing about this challenge, guys, so in this next video, Jordan explains what the challenge is, and it's actually the one funnel away challenge. So it's the one funnel away challenge, okay? This video right here, this will explain it. He goes on to explain it's the one funnel away challenge, but this video talks about some of the bonuses that you can get if you are willing to sign up for this training. Really, I feel, and Jordan feels, that anybody who goes through this training, it's mind-blowing. It's incredible. You will learn so much, and you will want to do it more than once. I know a lot of people have taken the one funnel away challenge 2, 3, 4 times, okay? But something awesome, guys, okay? You can get a 3, 5, or 7 day stay at like these awesome resorts just as a bonus, as one of the bonuses for signing up. So there's 3-night USA vacations: Orlando, Vegas, Branson, Williamsburg, Gatling, Myrtle Beach, Daytona Beach. 5-night Mexican beachfront vacations: Cancun. Is that how you spell Cancun? That's not how you spell Cancun. I'll have to fix that. That's funny. Then 7-night places in Bali or Phuket. Okay. Now, Jordan has teamed up with a business, what they do is they help book hotels that have some openings still. So there's no scam at all. This isn't like you won't actually get to stay. You basically get free room. There's like a resort fee, like depending on the place. If you go down here, see the page for the details, but there's a resort fee of like 18 to 20 bucks a night, but like there's hundreds of dollars a night of free money you get. You obviously have to pay for an airfare and your food and stuff, but anyway, just as a bonus for signing up for this challenge, which is $100, you get a vacation stay, right? I'm trying to think where I want to go. The idea, if you guys are trying to get people to sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge or ClickFunnels, this is a great way to go because it kind of incentivizes them. A lot of people are offering like, hey, have a free funnel, or hey, have this free course. And it's just for somebody who maybe isn't as familiar with this stuff, it's not really enticing, but like a free vacation, all I have to do is sign up for this challenge, pay $100 and take it. Yeah, I'll do it. So this is pretty awesome. And what you can do here, I'm just gonna go down here a little bit. So this is the funnel. Now again, if you would like this funnel and there's people that you want to have, you're trying to get people to sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge, you can get access to this funnel only by becoming a member of the core. I'm actually an affiliate for Jordan Mederich's group, the core, and so if you use my link, you can sign up, and if you sign up through my link, I will give you a bonus. I have a long list of bonuses, but I'll give you the bonus that you need. So just reach out to me and see if there's something you want and need, because I don't like listing out all my bonuses because a lot of times you don't want that. So let's talk about what you want, and I'll give it to you. Just something real quick. I wanted to go over the core real quick and why you'd want to join it. It's some pretty incredible stuff. If you are trying to get into online business, if you work with sales funnels, if you know ClickFunnels but you maybe aren't totally expert yet, some really awesome things that Jordan does is he will actually provide a new funnel each month that you can use to do affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels or to sell other products. You get the access to the members area, and there's a 24-hour product launch course already in there you can go through. You get email swipes. So what he did, these are all the email swipes, right? If you're pushing this One Funnel Away challenge, he has all the email swipes right here you can use, which you should use as a guide, right? You don't want to copy them word for word, but okay. I wanted to give you a sneak peek. Again, this is the back end of the core. You see he actually has an Instagram tree funnel, link tree funnel. There's a white label course you can give to people for free who want to learn ClickFunnels. There's the One Funnel Away funnel that just dropped, so you can click here to import that funnel into your ClickFunnels account. And then again, here's this 24-hour product launch bonus course. And you can also, if you become a member of the core, you can then become an affiliate. So what I did, I actually signed up for the core way back in the beginning when it was only $37 a month. And then somebody actually just signed up under my link. And I got, they signed up under the $97 package. So I get a commission of $38 every month. Guess what that means? That means that my core membership is paid for. So if you guys are like, should I sign up for the core? You come in, get 2 or 3 people to sign up, and you're basically have your free covered for. And guys, something I would really recommend. Jordan is a genius. Okay, he really is. And if you want to start an online business, if you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, if you need a mentor, I would join the core. Jordan's a great mentor. He brings great trainings every week. He'll help you build new funnels. And once you see what he's doing, it's funny because today I saw this funnel and I was thinking, man, I could build this funnel, but I would do this differently and I could pitch this product. So it's good to have someone who's feeding you stuff, because then it kind of triggers in your mind things that you could be doing. Okay, one more quick walkthrough. Here's the back end. It's just a 2-step thing real quick. There's terms and conditions people can click on. Again, you'll send someone to this link Okay, you get the link up here, right there. You'll send them here. They'll see this video. They put their name and email in. You hit click Get Access. That email will flow into your autoresponder if you set it up right. The next page is this, where it has the video saying, hey, good job. There's a way to claim your vacation bonus now. So if someone enrolls in this challenge, they are then eligible for this vacation package. And when they enroll, I'll then email them that package, and they can, basically select where they want to stay. And they get a voucher for the value of this stay. And again, they just have to cover their own airfare and food and stuff like that. But again, here's the email swipes, and yeah. If you guys have any questions, let's go back here. Just leave it on this page. Okay, so that is the mystery challenge. Again, recapping, the mystery challenge is essentially a way for people to be introduced to the one funnel away challenge, and it's designed specifically for people so you can run solo ads or run this video sales letter to cold traffic people that aren't necessarily looking for ClickFunnels or looking for this specific solution, but it piques their interest. They see that there's a free vacation. They're like, oh, I want to change my life. The video sales letter is like, I want to change my, how things are going. I want to learn more. I'm sick of kind of sitting back. So this sales letter will get them pumped up. So if you are trying to recruit people for ClickFunnels, if you're trying to be an affiliate, this is great. And also, if you are interested in ClickFunnels and you want to learn more and you want to take the one funnel away challenge, I'll have the link below that you can click actually to go into this funnel to sign up for your free vacation and to sign up for the one funnel away challenge. Hopefully this answers some of your questions about what the mystery challenge is. I'm excited to get it rolling. This is going to be an evergreen funnel that as long as the one funnel away challenge is out there, I'm going to be using this funnel to help people to get them into the system. And because truthfully, and as you'll see through this video, the one funnel away challenge changes your mind, and it's such incredible training. I went to a Pac-12 school, got my MBA, but I learned more about online business and marketing in the 30-day challenge than I honestly can say that I did in my business class, my business degree. Maybe that was my fault for not paying as much attention in college as I should have, but thanks for hanging out, guys, in the video. If you would please leave a comment below and let me know if you have taken the one funnel away challenge, and if you did, what was the biggest takeaway for you? Also, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit the bell notification, because I'll be producing lots of more content. And then if you would smash that like button, just because you like me and you're a nice person. Okay, Ben Arkell, PassiveAutomation.com, signing off for now.